Hello crafty friends, are you ever unsure about what colours go with what other colours? What colours to use together on your card? Well, today I'm going to share 4 of my tried and tested colour combinations with you. I'm going to make one card, and at the end of the video I'll show you some similar cards made with 3 other colour combinations. So for this first card, I've got 3 inks. I've got Speckled Egg Distress Oxide, I've got Chipped Sapphire and Wilted Violet. These are all cool colours. They're on the same side of the colour wheel. They're analogous colours, which means you can reliably mix them and not end up with mud. But I'm not mixing them today, I'm layering them. So I put some speckled egg on my mat, I hydrated it with water, and then I smushed it all down the side of a piece of smooth white card. I then dried it with my hairdryer and smushed on some chipped sapphire, making sure not to cover up all that speckled egg. And then I dried it again and smushed on some wilted violet, again making sure not to cover up the 2 other colours. And you can see hopefully that they work really nicely together. Next, I dusted my panel with some talcum powder to remove any moisture static or oily fingerprints, and then I took an outline flower stamp and stamped it down the side over the smushing in embossing ink, and then I drizzled on some gold metallic embossing powder. I heated that with my heat tool, and once that was cooled and set, I splattered on a mixture of white glue and water. I find this is a really good way of heat embossing splatters because I think the PVA stops the water evaporating too quickly. So I spattered that mixture on, sprinkled over the same embossing powder again, and then heated it with my heat tool to get those gold splatters. Once that had cooled and set, I put tape runner on the back of my panel and mounted it onto a smooth white cardstock card blank. For my sentiment, I stamped with gratitude in embossing ink on some black cardstock. I then drizzled over the same gold and heated it with my heat tool and die cut out the sentiment with a stitched rectangle die. I then mounted that on a little bit of craft foam, and on the back of that I stuck a stitched rectangle of gold glitter cardstock to go with the gold that was already on the card. I then used my rule of thirds acetate grid to help me to decide where to place my sentiment, and I placed it 1/3 of the way down from the top and 1/3 of the way in from the left. So it straddled the smushed and the non-smushed part of the card. And that was my first colour combination card finished. Do hang around for a couple more minutes and I'll show you the other colour combination cards. So here's the card we've just made with speckled egg, chipped sapphire and wilted violet. Speckled egg is a greeny bluey green, chipped sapphire is a blue violet, and wilted violet is a violet. So as I said, they're on the same side of the colour wheel, the bluey violety side, so they work together really nicely. On this card I use salvage patina, broken china and uncharted mariner. Instead of having it all coming along the side, I thought I'd have it coming up from the bottom, and I think I used a copper embossing powder on that to stand out nicely against the bluey greens, and these are all bluey greens. We've got salvage patina, which is a greeny bluey green, and we've got broken china and uncharted mariner, which are bluey blue greens, again very close to each other on the colour wheel, so they work well together. Right, onto some warm colours now. I started with Tattered Rose Distress Oxide, and then I added some Victorian Velvet, and then on top of that I put some Saltwater Taffy. So Tattered Rose is an orange, and Saltwater Taffy and Victorian Velvet are kind of in the red-orange area. That's my best approximation for them. So again, analogous colours right next to each other on the colour wheel, so they're going to work well together. And on to our final colour combination, again warm colours, dried marigold, wild honey, warm lipstick. I started at this end and worked my way down. And dried marigold is an orange. Wild honey is an orange yellow. And warm lipstick is a red. So we've got red, orange yellow and orange. Again, analogous colours, all warm colours, near each other on the colour wheel. They're going to work well together. Right, there you go, 4 cards, 4 colour combinations. I hope you found the video helpful. Do let me know if you'd like me to do some more tried and tested colour combination videos, and if you want me to go into any more detail. And I will see you back here very soon for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.